the scarcity. One mourns when a worthy man turns his face. I say it for the Viscount of Burlack's place, who I hear from good worth has turned his pace, for valor pleases him not as before. I speak not that he should bear it in hate, but hoping that he may reinstate. For life is shame and dishonest dole for him who lacks worth to match his store. No man is so worthy or so praised that he may not be blamed by some degree. If a fool speaks ill of him in folly's spree, for that he should not think himself abased, but rather hold himself as highly praised. For the good man's blame is the knave's praise. So I beg him to follow my counsel's law. I let him behave as he once did before, and let the simple speak their foolish phrase, for the wise will utter worthy lays. And of Lord Raymond, the gout of valor's height, who for all that never dimmed his light. And of the marquises who held Montferrat's lands, who never showed a saddened gaze, nor ceased their gifts to singers in that phase. He loves you, little Viscount, who would teach that giving and worth are beyond your reach. Soon your fine worth will close its final page, if you lack friends and praises in your age.